everyone, today I will be repotting my jade plant and I'm going to check if it's root bound. It's 2 years I haven't changed it, and well, it's time for her to get a new pot because it's leaning over, it's too big. And I had to put this big heavy marble egg. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is check its roots and I will repot it. Alright, so here I have a nice terracotta pot, which it should keep her straight and not tilt anymore. Now what I'm going to do first is take her out of the pot, or let me put the soil first. So I'm going to put is cactus mix and press down as always. There we go. Now let's check on it. It's kind of push that soil down there. Okay, now take this out and then I will take the plant out. Don't tell me there's roots in there. Anyways, let's keep on doing this. I want to hold her from the stem like that and pull. Whoa. Look at this. If I'm not mistaken, that's mold. It's mold. Look at that, guys. So what I'm going to do is scrape that off. I'm going to scrape this off. I'm going to try to take all that soil out. Let me use my hands. I don't want that mold. Plant looks good, but I don't know why there's mold there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take that soil out. See, look at that mold. The roots look fine. I'm going to try to take as much soil out of it. Alright, so I took out everything. Whatever white, that's not mold, that's sand. I usually mix it with sand, but now I bought cactus mix, so I'm going to put it in there. There's no rot at all, so it looks fine. I'm just going to stick it in the pot like so. I took out everything as I could. Alright, so now I'm going to make sure she's straight. She is quite elegant and very beautiful, actually. My jade plant. He's beautiful. Let me say he, because to me it's a he. Okay, just stick it in there. Make sure it's straight. Alright, and just pour that mix in there. Sorry for my hand. My apologies. It's just that, you know, I'm filming by myself. Alright, so I replanted it and it looks lovely, but it's quite heavy, so I'm gonna just put some water, because since I did open the roots, they will need some water. Just a bit of water, and then we'll put her back to where she was, in front of a sunny window. And that's about it, my friends. I put the marble egg back in there. I have another one. I'm going to put a different color. Okay, so the reason why my jade plant had mold was because this pot has no holes in the bottom, and it had no way to breathe, and well, that's one of the major reasons. So what I did is grab one of these little pointy knives and put it in turn on the stove and let it heat really good, and then what I did is start turning it around and around, and I made some holes. So that's a tip for all of you. Make sure your pots are breathable. Okay, my friends, so yeah, that's the reason why my jade plant had mold, because this pot had no holes. So the other ones, I'm gonna make sure I make some holes as well, the ones that don't have any. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new, follow me in the social media, and also join me in the group so we can share our passion of plants, share some pictures, and give each other some tips. Thank you all for watching. Happy planting. Bye.